Hi guys, and you're tuning into TuneTuber TV. Today, I just updated Asphalt8 and we have motorcycles. And before we get into motorcycles, I just want to tell you to subscribe, turn on my notifications, and leave a comment down below, and then you'll be all set. Let's get into this. So I am really excited about today because we have motorcycles. And motorcycles are really cool. So, as this is going, why is somebody racing up a car that does not match motorcycles? This is probably like a best teen tuber time. I don't know, something like that. I thought I'd never get a motorcycle. And I thought if I updated Asphalt8, then I wouldn't be able to film it anymore. But I still can, so that's good. And these were only 150 tokens, which was not bad for a motorcycle. Because they're so much cooler than cars. Ramps are just so good in a way. I just really like them. So, we're gonna go up this ramp. Wheelie! I cannot do that on my bike. I cannot do that on my bike. I just suck so badly at it. Why did that barrel just fall off the thing? This is so confusing. It's like I'm biking in an abandoned water park. An ugly one. What kind of water park is this? This is weird. Why are helicopters just passing me? This is unreal. Not in a cool way, in a weird way. This is kind of tricky. Wow, this is hard. I hate those blast doors. Number one, they're not possible. Number two, if they close on you, you're decapitated like that. Wreck. So, as I'm talking about pain, I just got wrecked. I shouldn't even be talking about pain. Well, this abandoned water park is sure not nice to kids. I don't even think this is a water park. If it was, I'd see slides all over the place. And why was a pickup truck just standing there? That was weird. Imagine if you turn so fast like this, and then you just fell off your motorcycle, and it tumbled on top of you. That would be so funny. Oh, my batteries for the wheelies are charged. Whee! Could I use full blast speed now? Wait. Yes, I can. In the air. Oh my god. That's awesome. That's so cool. So, technically, this isn't a water park. I think this is actually a place where people get their boats, but I don't know what they do with the boats because this place is crowded with buildings. What do they move the boats an inch for setup? I don't know. What if those blast doors were real and then I stopped in the middle of one? User driver. Someone left the game. That means there's less people. Yay. Less people in this race. That's good. What's a pickup truck doing there? What's a suitcase doing there? No! Ah! Wait, what do you do if you just get wrecked there? Wait, what? This is confusing. Oh, I see. Go down here. That's good. That's really good, actually. Oh my. Ow! That motorcycle guy. He has not got a driving permit. If you had a driving permit, motorcycle guy, you'd be so good at doing that. You wouldn't crash into me. He's so fast. Like, how is he that fast? That's so weird. It's kind of weird that he is in the really fast motor and I'm in the really slow one. Ow. How come it's in every race that... Oh, fourth. I was just going to say I don't come in first. Never. Well, see you guys next time. Peace.